How to make an edit on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can edit your snaps on your Snapchat application. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Also log into your specific account. Now take a photo or a video in the app. Go ahead and tap on the pencil icon in the top, or you can just tap and hold onto this photo and various options will be available. Tap on edit snap, that is between hide snap and remix snap. Now you will be taken to this kind of interface. From here you can edit and add text by tapping on the T icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can write messages or captions on your snap. You can also change the font, size, and the color. And you can crop and add colors as well. You can change the size of your snap by tapping on the crop icon, that is the second last option in the right hand side of the screen. And you can also rotate this photo. After that, if it's a video instead of photo, you can also cut and shorten your video by removing unwanted parts. Another thing you can do is you can mute the video, and you can add music from Snapchat by tapping on add a sound in the top of the screen. And from the list that appears, you can choose a song that you'd like to set to this photo or video and send it to your friends. And you can also apply lenses, filters, and change how you look and add effects with Snapchat lenses and features by tapping on this search icon in the right hand side of the screen. Moreover, you can also create a sticker by tapping on this Caesar icon and then selecting a part which I want to create a sticker as and releasing. Then tap on done in the top and your sticker is ready. Now you can go ahead and send it to your friends, family, whoever is connected with you on Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.